Okay, guys, so I want to go over with you this lesson for Tuesday. There's not a lot of questions for you to answer, so really what I want from you is just to watch the video and follow along with me. And then you're going to answer the 4 questions here under practice, and then you're going to answer the couple questions here under practice 2. Okay? Um, so recognizing plot and topic. So remember, a theme is not the plot or the topic. The plot is a series of events that happen in the story. And the topic is the general subject of the story, so what it's about. And a story could talk about multiple topics. It doesn't have to have just one topic. So right here it says read the following words and sentences about hearts and hands. Explain which ones state a topic and which one sums up the plot. You're going to answer these 4 on your Google Doc that I've attached to the assignment. So deception is the first one. 2 friends meet on a train and one pretends to be a U.S. Marshal. Friendship, and then a young woman traveling on a train runs into a young man she once knew. She tries to renew the friendship, but he is unable to do so because he is headed to prison. The marshal with him pretends he is the prisoner. All right. So 2 of those are going to be topics. 2 of those are going to be plot. Okay, so finding the theme. Okay, so those aren't theme. So what is theme? Um, when you're asking about plot, you ask, why does the character do that? That's motivation. When you ask, what does the story really mean? What's it telling me? That's when you're asking about theme. Okay, so how do we do that? 1, study what the characters say. Sometimes the author makes clear the insight into life he or she is sharing with you. For instance, in the book Charlotte's Web, we meet 2 characters, Wilbur, the pig, and Charlotte, the spider, who show us time and time again how valuable friendship is. Wilbur says at one point in the book, friendship is one of the most satisfying things in the world. That's a pretty clear statement of the truth the author wants you to take away from reading the story. In this case, you could say that the theme is directly or explicitly stated in the text. So that would be a theme. Friendship is very satisfying. That's a theme. Friendship is a topic, but saying that friendship is something, that's a theme. Think about what the characters learn. Most times the theme is implicit, which means it's not stated directly. So explicit, direct, implicit, not direct. Then you must look at the situations the characters face and the conflicts they resolve and decide what the characters and you have learned from the experience. Think about Charlotte's Web again. In that story, Wilbur, a pig, and Charlotte, a spider, form a close friendship. By the end of the story, you might find yourself thinking how wonderful it is that even though Wilbur and Charlotte are so different, they still care a great deal for one another. That might lead you to uncover another truth in the story. Friendship knows no boundaries and can occur even between those who are very different. All right. So again, friendship is a topic, but saying that friendship has no boundaries and like even if you're different than someone, you could still be their friend. That's a theme. That's a lesson you're supposed to learn from Charlotte's Web. Because if you don't know, that book is about a spider and a pig becoming friends, not the likeliest of situations. Um, this little chart kind of explains that. Not a theme, happiness, childhood, awareness. And then this is a theme. Happiness is accepting the joys of ordinary life. Childhood is a time of innocence. Awareness of death can make life richer. So a theme should have a statement, okay? And then over here in practice number 2, you're going to answer these at the bottom of your doc. What truth about people stays with you after you read Hearts and Hands? That's a story from yesterday. So ask yourself, what did you learn about helping people? About helping someone people normally wouldn't help. And then why does the marshal cover up for the prisoner? Is he trying to spare the feelings of the young woman? Is it because he sees the prisoner as a fellow human being? And then I want you to write a statement that says, this story reveals to me that. And then that's going to be the theme. Okay? You have any questions? Email me, reach out to me on Google Classroom. Also, join the Zoom. All right.